welcome back to the channel. So a lot of people make these 5 things I hate about my car, 5 things I love about my car videos. I'm gonna jump on the bandwagon and I'm gonna make 5 things I love about my car. I thought about 5 things I hate about my car, but I honestly can't come up with a single thing. So I really like this car. Maybe I wouldn't like it in some kind of way if it was my daily, but it's not. So those little quirks that it may have, it just doesn't bother me that much for me to really think about it. Just gonna go over the things that I love about this car. So this is in no particular order, but we're gonna start off with the obvious about this car. The way this car just looks. This car has sharp body lines, a beautiful set of rims, phenomenal accents. That's due to the 1LE package. To me, this car is just absolutely beautiful. Doesn't matter how you look at it, the side profile, the front, the rear, just an absolute beautiful machine. Yeah, with that being said, I love the way this car looks. To me, it looks better than the Mustangs. It looks better than the Challenger. For a 2-door, muscle car style vehicle, I mean, I think this one's the best looking one of all of them. So number 2 is gonna be the power. The torque that this car makes is absolutely insane. So in any gear, it can be 6th gear cruising, you can be in 5th gear doing 30 miles an hour, you just tap the throttle and your car is sending you. It has torque for days. Doesn't matter what gear you're in. If you need it to go forward, you can. You don't need a downshift to change lanes. Like, this car just has power all the time, all the time. Now with the full bolt-on setup, you know, there's no top end problems. I don't have low end issues. The car is just all around monster. So you got the styling and you got the power. So number 3 is the handling. So with any Camaro, you're gonna get, with any 6th gen Camaro, you're gonna get this Alpha platform, and it's gonna have phenomenal handling right out the box, whether you're in a base model Camaro, an LT1, or you're in a Super Sport, or a ZL1, or a 1LE. The handling right out of the box for all Camaro 6th gens are very good. It's a big improvement over the 5th gen. The weight savings, just the rigidity of the chassis, just the overall design was significantly better, and the car responded really well because of it. But this specific package, being the 1LE, it handles like it's on rails. So I love the fact that I can take an off-ramp at ridiculous speeds and know that this car is going to be planted. It's just one of the things I was looking for when I was looking for a vehicle. I wanted something that can handle great. I wanted it to be a well-balanced vehicle. I didn't want it just to be a straight line car. I want to know that I can go around somebody or go around a turn or take it to a track day if I really wanted to. So handling. So that's 1, 2, and 3. So the 4th thing that I really love about this car is the transmission. So this GM 6-speed transmission is a TR6060 from Tremec. It is absolutely nuts. Auto rev matching is super fun, super consistent. It's always the right RPM at every downshift. It feels like you're in a video game, and the gearbox is just freaking great. It's a little notchy, but it lets you know that you're in the gear. I'm sure that can be helped with a weighted shift knob. I've never weighed this one in particular, but supposedly the stock SS shift knobs are very light. So with a weighted shift knob, it might get rid of that notchiness. When I first got the car, I swapped out the transmission fluid to royal purple. Just banging gears in this car feels so good. You know, I come from the world of Hondas, and you know, with these B series, and they're, you know, B series transmissions are great transmissions, but this Tremec, I mean, there's nothing like this. Yeah, the 10-speed automatic is really nice, and it's fast, and it's great, and it's even more consistent, but driving this manual, banging these gears, there's absolutely nothing like it with this car. So really happy, really satisfied with the gearbox choice. And when I was looking into buying, you know, my sports car, I really wanted a manual. I wanted to be a V8 manual. So I was obviously looking at the Mustang, but the MT82 that those Mustangs have, it's garbage. So I wanted to make sure I had a really good transmission, and the GM is where it's at. The TR6060 in these cars are bulletproof. They're phenomenal transmissions, and they hold a lot more power than they're rated at. And I couldn't be any happier. So you have number 1 being the styling, number 2 being the power, number 3 being the handling, number 4 being the transmission, and number 5 is gonna be just the overall presence of this car. Just everything that this car is in one package is number 5. So what I mean is, this car is V8, rear wheel drive, manual transmission. This is a very raw and visceral car. And when you have traction control off, stability control off, you know, even though this car is probably making just shy of 500 or, you know, in that range, the high 400s, it's making enough power to break loose, scare you even at times. And to me, that's priceless. When you have a car that is manageable, but it's also scary at the same time, it just always calls you back for more and more and more and more and more. This car to me just hits the nail on the head in every single subject that I wanted the car to be. Power, handling, looks, and just overall fun. The car is so much fun to drive, and it sounds mean as hell. Yeah, buy this car if you have the opportunity to. If you're thinking about it and you're on the fence, do it. 10 speed or 6 speed, it doesn't matter. The car is fun as is. So there you have it. Those are the 5 things I love about my car. This Camaro is amazing. Definitely one of the best cars I've ever owned. Thanks for watching, guys.